This is the formula for percent yield. Percent yield is actual yield, what you actually get in an experiment, divided by theoretical yield, what you expected to get out of that experiment as a product. What this means is if I expect to get 100 grams of, let's say, carbon tetrafluoride out of an experiment, and I got 100 grams of carbon tetrafluoride, I got 100% of what I expected. My percent yield was 100%. If I expected to get 100 grams of carbon tetrafluoride, but I actually only got 25 grams of carbon tetrafluoride, 25 divided by 100 is 0.25. And then, of course, we always convert our decimals into percentages by multiplying by 100. I only had 25% yield. I only got a quarter of what I expected to get. Now, why would we do this calculation? Well, I usually have my students do something like this after experiments, especially experiments where we predict what we're going to get as a product, because it's a great way of measuring how effective you were in the laboratory. For instance, if you got a really low number, like 25%, that means you probably messed up pretty bigly somewhere. If you got something like 90%, 95%, that's really close to the actual number. That's actually really good because it's easy to make lots of small errors while doing labs, and there's all kinds of impurities in the reactants you're working with, or the water you're working with, or any number of things. Percent yield is a great way to measure how effective the experimenters were at capturing the yield of whatever reaction it is they're doing.